Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to delve into the ultimate guide on how to use UpBase for holiday planning for 2025. First things first, you'll need to head over to UpBase's website and create an account if you haven't already. This is crucial because it will give you access to all the features that will make your holiday planning a breeze. Now that we've done that, let's start by setting up a new project. Click on New Project. Name it something like Holiday 2025 and fill in the estimated start and end dates. This helps us because it provides a clear timeline for our holiday planning and keeps us on track. Next up, add your tasks. These could range from booking flights and hotels to planning activities and shopping for essentials. The reason we do this is to ensure we don't forget any crucial steps in our holiday planning process. Once you've added your tasks, it's time to assign them. UpBase allows you to delegate tasks to your family members or friends who will be joining you on the holiday. This is a key feature because it distributes the workload and keeps everyone involved in the process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UpBase is creating a comprehensive, interactive checklist for your holiday. The beauty of it is, you can see at a glance what's been done and what's pending, what's planned, making your planning process much more efficient. Let me explain why this matters. Planning a holiday can be chaotic and stressful. By using UpBase, you're not only organizing your tasks, but you're also ensuring that everyone is on the same page, which can greatly reduce the stress associated with planning. Next, turn on notifications. UpBase will send you periodic reminders about your tasks. This helps us because life can get busy, and these reminders ensure that our holiday planning stays on track. Finally, make use of the comments feature. You can use it to discuss plans, share ideas, or update the status of tasks. This is important because it fosters communication and collaboration, making your holiday planning a truly team effort. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a seamless holiday planning experience with UpBase. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the key to a stress-free holiday is good planning. So hop onto UpBase and start planning your dream holiday for 2025. Until next time, happy planning.